and this goes back for me. So people that have been listening to this podcast know my mom was one of the first employees of Microsoft. I was there. I watched it. She was there for 30 something years. And she was one of the first employees. I was playing video games when they, like before the Xbox, when they were just coming out with online PC games. I was playing multiplayer games with my mom's like teammates. And she's like, you can't talk to them like that. Like that's not somebody you should talk to. And I didn't know. Like I was, I was just like, this is who it was. And
it's just Ed, like,
And I look, I was going to be a computer science major. Like I went the business route, but I can tell you it was a love for me that brought me back to it. And I just love technology. And I saw the writing on the wall. I saw what happened with the World Wide Web, right? You put on your resume, World Wide Web. I have experience with the World Wide. Like I can read also when people put like AI experience on their resume. I know about like where their experience level is based on how they talk about it. And it's gonna eat everything. AI is eating everything. So you have domain expertise in what you have, like just apply AI to it. Expert in AI. Like that's what I want my kids, like understand how to use AI and then apply it to real world knowledge and your domain expertise. And the more domain expertise you have and real world knowledge, as soon as you add that AI layer to it, it makes you really, really powerful. And if you work with a bunch of people and like I gravitate, like, right, you and I are like gravitating to each other with different kind of experience. And there's other people, I'm gravitating to those people and those people start working together to achieve goals. Like, it's going to be amazing. It's absolutely going to be amazing.
And I do want to say for, I know a lot of business owners listen and tune in and, 10,000 people a day are of retirement age or retiring. And what, some of those people might be feeling at this point in time that kind of they're,
they're
on the way, but they don't realize that like their value is so like if you own a business today, if you're looking at selling your business today, look at the value of the data. So these without getting too technical about it, these LLMs, these AIs, they've learned everything they can from the internet. The private data of, let's say you owned a logistics company, an SEO company, or this or for those of you that have been, meticulous in record keeping, it is your time. They said you never need that. Well, guess what? They were wrong. You can finally shove it to them. And I saw a company actually just got like a $300 million raise the other day talking about just this. And it's that look like the domain in a world where that technology gap is taken, it's the domain experts and understanding the way the processes work. The real unicorns, I think, are going to be the people that come from a development background that throw themselves into business, into real world processes, because then they'll have both, and that'll just be an unfair advantage. But it is, and I hate when they talk about, like junior devs are going to be gone. But I think where they're seeing that is that until a certain level, domain experience beats technical knowledge now. And then once you get in the upper echelons of tech, so I think that's where people may be feeling that disconnect or thinking that's going to happen. It's more so that look like, right now, but if a technical dev can just get some of that systems thinking, I think it's kind of a Freaky Friday situation where if this side could do this and that side could do that, that we can all be successful. I don't know. My true definition, and I'll kind of like end on this. My thing about AGI is I don't see it. I'm sure we'll get there, but my definition of AGI is AI bringing the best out of people and being your crutch in what you're bad at and helping you identify that. And so I think because that's the way I use it. I mean, I know me and you share this kind of like ethos of it that, used for good. Like
Yeah.
it really can be a powerful tool, not on a like, hey, it told me to do this, so I'm gonna go do it, but on a just thought experiment of like, hey, we could, just taking some inventory and seeing, hey, like, am I good at this? Can I get better at it? Like,
So Ricky, I want to give you an opportunity to kind of share some of your papers and what you have out there. But I want to end on this, guys. Like Sam Altman started well, I don't know if he started Y Combinator, but he ran Y Combinator for forever. And he started a lot of businesses or got involved in a lot of businesses like Airbnb. Like you should go look at his businesses. He left to go run OpenAI. If you look at his businesses, all of them can use AI. Like all businesses can use AI, but it's like a hub and spoke model. He's taking OpenAI and he's going to apply AI to all of his businesses to get that unfair advantage because of how they're thinking and where they're at. Like that's what I'm seeing on a smaller level, right? I'm going, there's a big transition of businesses getting handed off as or passed down from newer generation, but there's a lot of businesses that are going to change hands. You got to capture that domain knowledge, but you can apply AI to these different businesses, and then apply capital to these different businesses and build that kind of operational workflow between humans and agents and scale these businesses quite quickly.